What's up everyone, this is James, also known as JVHAK. Welcome to my channel. I'm a dividend and growth investor. I invest mainly in US stocks and I use Google Sheets to track my portfolio, which is what you can see right now. And just doing a quick video today just to let you know what I've been doing in my portfolio and what I'm looking to buy the week coming up. So first thing I want to let you know is I'm planning to buy Bitcoin. You can see my crypto portfolio is only 4.44% of my entire portfolio, which is this right here. So currently my portfolio is worth 42,000, which is up almost 10% from end of October. So I'm already up 10%, in a matter of 7 days. And it's mainly from, it's mainly from the election. The election was so great for my portfolio. I did cash out and lock in some of those gains, which I'm happy with, because you can see now that Friday gone, which is this section here. I mean, the market's obviously closed. This is Sunday right now. On Friday, it was kind of a bad day. It wasn't a great day, and I can kind of see this trend happening in the short term, which hopefully I can use my cash, which is around £12,000, which is around $15,000 to $16,000, to really bag some bargains and really get some good stocks which can just grow further. So as you can see, my dividend stocks I always keep at the top of my Google Sheets. It's just these three at the moment: Realty Income, AT&T, Broadcom. This, by the way, is actually the ticker symbol. I also have my growth stocks down here. So I've got quite a few now since my last video. I've bought some new ones. So I bought Unity, I bought Room, I bought Datadog, Pinterest, and recently sold out Palantir because I did have around £5,000 or around $7,000 or $8,000 in Palantir. Sold it and bought back in. You can see here my return to date. So I'm already down on Palantir, but I'm not worried about that because Biden, who is now the president, is really going to push for Palantir to have more and more of a presence in basically in the government, because they do so many things when it comes to data, in terms of analytics, in terms of databases, in terms of anti-terrorism, and a lot of big investors and funds are buying into Palantir, such as ARK Invest. So I just feel like it's going to be a good week for Palantir. I really do believe the next couple of weeks are just going to be so good. So so I sold and I bought back in at a smaller stake. You can see I've got around £2,000 in them. I will be slowly increasing my stake as they get more and more bullish. I'm a big fan of averaging up than averaging down, because you can never average down into profit. You can see right here, Fastly, I'm 13% down. So I could average down, which is basically buying more and lower my cost average, but I'll never ever average straight away into profit. I'll probably be like maybe 10% down or 7% down, depending how much I buy now. But I prefer to actually average up because I'm buying into a stock which is actually on the way up, and you just need to know when to sell. So you got to have your stop losses in place, which is what I had with Palantir. I was riding that all the way up to around $14.50. Had my stop loss at 14. It got triggered. It sold. I took my cash, which I was so happy with. Then I bought a small stake back in, and this is unrealized. We're currently down 2.5%, but I know this week ahead it's going to be really good for Palantir. So just want to go across some stock ideas for this week. So I do feel that a good one coming up, so I've got my watch list down here, by the way, is actually so this is my dividend watch list, but I've got my growth watch list, which is basically here. So you can see here, Open Door. This is this stock's ticker symbol, IPOB. It's currently at $20. It ended Friday almost 7% up. Now this is an interesting one because it's essentially the real estate market, mainly in America. So it's now going to be digitalized. Everything's going to be, there's going to be no basically physical real estate. Offers going to be coming in on the website. Everything's going to be tracked, and it's got some big investors behind them. So it's got the guys from PayPal. It's got ARK Invest, again, Kathy Wood and her fund. And this is very early on. I think this stock has been out. It had an IPO around summer this year, but it's still relatively unheard of. So I do feel like this is a good one to look into, and it's definitely one I'm going to be buying this week. So yeah, going to be buying crypto, going to be buying IPOB. I'm also going to be looking to probably up my positions in some of my stocks which are doing well. So which is a massive gaming company, and actually it does so many other things, mainly based in South Korea. And then also looking to up my position in DraftKings. Palantir have earnings this week, so it's going to be very interesting. But yeah, I'm sitting on quite a bit of cash, so I'm ready to buy some dips and ready to buy some bargains, and really hoping that we do see some. Just wanted to go over some technical analysis with Fastly. So this is the chart. You can see here, we can see that we've kind of broken past the support levels. So we're currently at $73, how it ended on Friday. You can see that the bottom was really around 60. That's where we found major support, and now we've just gone back up to 73. You can see the resistance level is around kind of 80, 82, 83. If we break that, then we can go back up to 100. You have to remember, Biden is now the president. Trump had a massive concern with China, the China tariffs and TikTok. That's going to go away now that Biden's in control. He doesn't have those issues with China or privacy. So TikTok, I expect TikTok's owners, Oracle, Walmart, I expect all of those to have a major lift the next coming weeks. And I also see the same with Fastly. I see Fastly heading back up to 100. And we never know, maybe a new all-time high. You can see the trend here is really heading up to around it's going to head to 150, 160, but that may be a few more months away. But yeah, Fastly is definitely an interesting one. Am I going to be averaging down and buying more now? Not right now. I am quite overweight. 10% of my growth portfolio is in Fastly. I kind of want to give more investment towards these smaller guys down here, which I definitely do see a massive uptrend in the next coming weeks. So yeah, that's my video. Please do like and comment. I love to engage with all of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.